Welcome back guys. This video I am going to show you update all apps on your Android or Samsung phone. So let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the Google Play Store app. After the Google Play Store app is open, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can scroll down a little, look for the Manage Apps and Device button. Click on them. After that, go to Update Available option. Here you can see all of the update available app listed there. Simply tap on the Update All button at the very top and start automatically updating on your phone. However, but there are not be available the Samsung built-in app. How to do it to update the Samsung built-in app? Don't worry, return to your home screen. You can swipe the home screen to open the app door. Here, simply look for the Google Play Store app. If you don't find it, use the search bar at the bottom, type Galaxy Store. Once you found them, tap on their name to open the page. After it's open, look at the very bottom, tap on the menu button. That tap on the update button. And here you can see all of the update app listed there Samsung built-in. Simply hit the update all button at the very top and starting updating the app, and that's is how you can easily update all apps on your Android and Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.